In this video, I would like to show you how to set up endpoints. So endpoints, this is a structure where we define the companies between the data has been exchanged, and this is used for communication. So in the I have here two companies. One is the Kronos Denmark, which is a buyer company, and Kronos Germany, which is a seller company. So I would like to have communication. I would like to exchange document between them. So in the Kronos Denmark, I have to go to the administration and the endpoints. And because I will send document to the Kronos Germany, I have to go edit this endpoint card. And in the general, I have just number and description. Then we have the web service fast app, where you have to specify the web service address and credentials. And now how it works. When the best is to switch to the curtain company, so to the Kronos Germany, go to the web services page, go up, and here's this is a web service published for Intercompany. So you should paste the SOP URL, and after that paste it on the web service address field. The next there are credentials. So we are using here the basic authentication. So for on-prem installation, it can be just username and user password. And then if you are using the Windows authentication, you need to create the separate instance with nav user password or business central user password and specify those password here. For online installations, you should, as the password, you should specify web service access key, which is defined on the user card. What is also important that the Kronos Germany can be in a different database. So that user, of course, need to be created in the endpoint database. To verify whether everything is correct, we can use synchronized action, which would send the information to our partner, which actually confirm that everything is fine. But we can switch to the Kronos Germany and go to the list of all messages, and here we can see that there is a new document. Then when I switch back to the Kronos Denmark, two words about SUI code. So on the endpoint card, we can specify local currency code, which is used for mapping. So when we are sent a document to the Kronos Germany, that value can be mapped to the local euro instead of DKK. We have also here endpoint Kronos Denmark. This is necessary, so we need endpoint on this company because we have to specify the endpoint on the intercompany setup. So there is a field on endpoint number, so that should be specified here. That's why we have this additional endpoint. Of course, the same steps should be done on the Kronos Germany company. So we have Kronos Denmark endpoint, where we have specified everything with the DKK local currency, and the Kronos Germany, which is the own endpoint, and this is it is set up on the company setup page.